This is a brand new 2015 Ford Super Duty. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, commercial-free satellite radio, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, rear curtain airbags, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and air conditioning. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Hoblit Ford is located at 46 5th Street in Colusa. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.